We finally have some Grand Theft Auto 6 news, and it's been a while. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vice City Vids, but you can call me Sean Easy. Let's get right into it. So, it seems that Take-Two Interactive has apparently announced their next earnings call for Thursday, May 15th. At least that's what I see when I'm on the GTA 6 Facebook group. Take-Two's Quarter 4 Fiscal Year 25 results call is set for Thursday, May 15th. Now, I checked out their earnings call page, and I didn't see anything. But there's a news article that says otherwise. StockTitan.net has reported that Take-Two Interactive Software Inc. is to report their fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025 results on Thursday, May 15th, 2025. Now, I haven't made a video in a while on this channel. It's been like 9 days, and it's because there literally is nothing to talk about. The only other thing we've really talked about is how fiscal year 2025 has ended on March 31st, and fiscal year 2026 began on April 1st. So we are currently in fiscal year 2026, and I expect a lot of good things out of current fiscal year 2026, like the release of Borderlands 4, Mafia: The Old Country, and of course, GTA 6. Now, what is going on with these earnings calls? Well, Take-Two Interactive obviously owns stock. They're a publicly traded company, and they don't own just Rockstar Games or GTA 6 like I said. They own Borderlands, and they also own Civilization, Mafia, Max Payne, NBA 2K, Red Dead. They own a lot of companies, and they need to report to their investors their finances, among other things. Now, in the Facebook post, here's what they said. We're likely to get clarity on whether GTA 6 has been delayed. Reasons. Take-Two is legally obligated to promptly inform investors of delays in major projects that directly impacts them. At last year's earnings call, May 16, 2024, Take-Two updated the release window from 2025 to fall 2025. The call marks the end of fiscal year 2025, making it significant. But, like I said, fiscal year 2025 actually did end on March 31st, and fiscal year 2026 has been going since April 1st. Now, what goes on with an earnings call? Well, they're going to tell us all about their finances. They're going to tell us about net bookings, and here's what they said on the last earnings call. They said that they achieved solid results during the holiday season. Their net bookings of $1.3.7 billion were within their guidance range, as significant outperformance in NBA 2K25 helped to offset the moderation experienced in several of our mobile franchises. At the same time, our operating results surpassed expectations, led by the upside from NBA 2K as well as a shift in the timing of expenses that benefited the quarter. And that's what Strauss Zelnick, the chairman and CEO of Take-Two Interactive, had to say. For fiscal 2025, they are reiterating our net bookings guidance range of $5.5 billion and our outlook for operating performance. Our projections for the fourth quarter balance strengthen in NBA 2K with continuation of our current mobile trends and the shift of some operating expenses in the period. Looking ahead, this calendar year is shaping up to be one of our strongest ever for Take-Two, as we plan to launch Sid Meier's Civilization 7 on February 11th, Mafia: The Old Country in the summer, Grand Theft Auto 6 in the fall, and Borderlands 4. We continue to invest in our development pipeline and remain confident in Zynga's potential to create new mobile forever franchises, as demonstrated by their ongoing success. As we continue to deliver hits, we remain highly confident that we will achieve subsequent increases in and record levels of net bookings in fiscal 2026 and 2027. And net bookings, for example, is mostly going to come from recurrent consumer spending, as recurrent consumer spending accounts for about 80% of total net bookings. And what is recurrent consumer spending? Well, recurrent consumer spending is very simply microtransactions. So essentially what they make from in-app purchases. Let's see if we can just do recurrent consumer spending. Examples of recurrent consumer spending would be virtual currency in games, add-on content for software subscription fees for online services, or microtransactions within applications. So they make about 80% of all of their money from recurrent consumer spending. 80% of all their net bookings always comes from like microtransactions. So without over-explaining like what an earnings call is, they're essentially just going to go over finances and all that stuff like the Facebook post says. They are legally obligated to promptly inform investors of delays in major products. Pretty much the investors need to know if the stock is worth investing in. What is going on with the stock? Like, they need updates. They need to know what is happening with it, if their money is worth investing in it for the very foreseeable future. And yes, at a previous earnings call back in May, that's when we found out that GTA 6 was now being released in fall 2025 from calendar 2025. But me personally, with this earnings call, what I'm really looking forward to is kind of this information, getting an updated piece of information for this. Updated software development and licensing, marketing, purchase obligations. We're going to get an updated piece of this information also in the upcoming May earnings call. And this goes without wondering. Where's Trailer 2? Are we going to get Trailer 2? I have no idea, but I am going to say this. We have previously gotten trailers for like Red Dead Redemption 2 previously. If we look at like Trailer 3, for example, we will see that they gave us Trailer 3 on May 2nd, 2018. If we look at like GTA 5 Trailer 3 also, you'll see that you got Trailer 3 right around the end of April 2013. So I don't know when we're getting Trailer 2 for GTA 5, but it would be pretty cool if we got it sometime at the end of April, sometime at the beginning of May, sometime before this next earnings call comes into play. Take-Two Interactive Software has announced it will report its fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025 financial results on Thursday, May 15, 2025, after market close. The company will host a conference call at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time to discuss the results. The conference call will be accessible via phone with conference ID. A live webcast and replay will be available at Take2Games.com Investor Relations. Take-Two, headquartered in New York City, is a leading developer and publisher of interactive entertainment through its Rockstar Games, 2K, and Zynga brands, delivering products across console gaming systems, PC, and mobile platforms. Take-Two Interactive Software, yep, we already kind of read all this. So, if you guys want, you could feel free to like join in with me, as I will probably be live streaming the earnings call here on Vice City Vids like we always do. I think we kind of browse around a little bit, you'll see that I've done, you know, like earnings calls or something in the past. Like right here, GTA 6, Take-Two February 6 earnings call today. You'll see that we streamed that live on February 6th. So the last earnings call, we actually did stream it live, and we essentially do this every time there's an earnings call. We always stream them live, so I will probably most likely stream them live again. And that's pretty much all I have for you. I kind of just want to get the cart in front of the horse. Be kind of one of the first ones to report on this, as it has just happened today. I am so early with this news that this isn't even on their current website at the moment. It still just says February 6th. I saw the thing on Facebook, went right here, got a little confused, until there's actually like news articles for this news. So I kind of just wanted to be like one of the first ones to report on this, even before it's even on their website. Apparently, we got the new earnings call happening on May 15th, and I figured that was going to happen. They always do their earnings call in May, like around the middle of May. The last one was May 16th, the one before that was on May 17th. Like the next one's on May 15th. Not that surprising, not that shocking. Have a good one, have a great one. I'll catch you in the next one. Please talk to me down in the comments and I'll reply to you. Tell me what you're looking for in the next Take-Two earnings call, because I already told you what I'm looking forward to. Some updated information on software development and licensing, marketing, and purchase obligations. Alrighty. Catch you in the next one, everybody. Goodbye.